going to discuss about how to become a software engineer. Before that, who is software engineer? A software engineer is someone who writes the code behind the software products or software application. So some people have confusion between software engineer and software developer, but companies were considering both entity as same. I have collected few steps. Let me go one by one. Step 1. Set your goal clearly in software engineering. Whether you're going to work in an established tech company or you want to become a freelancer. You want to have clear idea between these two. So then step 2. Select programming language to learn. So you want to select a perfect programming language which suits you to learn as a beginner. So you don't want to take a big complex language to learn. Try to learn some simple language and you should have depth knowledge in that language. So before that you want to have clear idea between what is front end and what is back end developer. Front end in the sense the developer or the engineer who gives user interface, UI presence, and this will be happened by learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And backend developer who want to learn a particular language like Python, PHP, Ruby on Rails or Java, C++ or ASP.NET. You can take choice of yours. You can take any language, but you want to become experienced and very knowledgeable in that particular language. This was the only recommendation. You don't want to shift here and there with this language and that language and all. You just choose one language and learn it completely. I suggest you to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and any one of the backend programming language which I have already listed you, like Python, PHP, ASP.NET, Java, Ruby on Rails, and there is many more options are available out there. Try to learn structured query language, SQL. Learn some queries like insert, update, delete, select queries, and also learn about join queries. So it will be more helpful for your backend programming. Step 3. Start doing some real-time applications by your own. There is many YouTubers like me were conveying knowledge, their own knowledge to you people. But our work has completed here itself. We are just exploring our knowledge and making you to learn something new. But we can give you knowledge, but we are unable to give you experience. Okay, so try to learn from us and put it on real-time project. You do some own projects and you practice yourself day by day. You just practice regularly. For my videos, I am getting some comments like I need source code of this particular program, like that and all. So giving source code is not at all a matter. It's a matter of 5 minutes. But I suggest you to do code by your own. I have shown you all the codings, right? You just code of your own. Then you will be getting experience of coding. So coding is not coming by viewing something or hearing something. You want to do by your own. You want to practice by your own. So I strongly recommend you to practice by your own. Get knowledge from us and practice by your own. So practice makes a man perfect. I want to tell you Abraham Lincoln's quote. If I had 6 hours to chop down a tree, I would spend first 4 hours sharpening the axe. Like that, you want to practice before entering into real-time job. So next step 4, learn some tools like real programmers use. So tools in the sense, for example, I'm telling GitHub or Bitbucket, the command line interface. So we having some sort of tools which real programmers using. Then step 5, try to build some real-time projects for yourself or some of your friends or family, so that you will be getting real-time coding experience. Or you can create your own blog or you can create your personal website. So you will be getting a real-time coding experience that will be more helpful for presenting you in interview. Step 6, be active member in technical community, like community in social media. There is many more community there, so you can grab technical knowledge and you can explore technical knowledge, and you have some idea by chatting with those people, technical people. Next, step 7, prepare for interview. Before sending your job application, make sure of creating perfect resumes, cover letters, and also your online presence. Online presence in the sense like LinkedIn profile, GitHub, Twitter, personal website or personal blog. You can select any one of this and you can present it in your job application. Then step 8, job interview. Many companies conduct telephonic interview as a first round, then on-site interview. There you might be asked with technical and behavioral questions, and also about your previous project, as we have discussed before. When you are entering as a freshers mode, so your own projects which you have created already for your friends and family, and you have created your own blog, own personal website, will be helpful at this moment. And finally, you got job offer and become a software engineer. All those points which I have presented with you have taken from my opinion, and also analyzing current scenario of different companies. Have successful career ahead. And don't forget to click on subscribe button because it will be helpful for me for presenting my experience and presenting my knowledge with you people. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming technical videos. Thank you.